Automated online business ideas. Automated online businesses are ventures that generate income with minimal manual intervention after the initial setup. The goal is to create systems and processes that allow the business to run on its own, requiring less day-to-day management. Here are a few types of automated online businesses. Dropshipping. In a dropshipping business, you set up an online store and list products for sale. When a customer makes a purchase, you forward the order to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. You don't need to handle inventory or shipping. Print on demand. Similar to dropshipping, print on demand involves creating custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. When a customer orders, the product is printed and shipped directly from a third-party supplier. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services from other companies through your website, blog, or social media. You earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your referral link. Niche websites. Create content-rich websites focused on a specific niche or topic. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Over time, these sites can attract traffic and generate income. Automated dropship stores. Some platforms offer pre-built dropshipping stores that come with products, designs, and even marketing materials. You still need to promote the store, but much of the setup work is done for you. Subscription box services. Curate and offer subscription boxes with products related to a specific niche. Subscribers receive regular shipments, and you can automate the order and shipping processes. Digital products. Sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or design templates. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory. Automated content sites. Develop websites that aggregate content from various sources or use automated content generation tools. Monetize through ads or affiliate links. While automated online businesses offer the advantage of potential passive income, keep in mind that they still require initial effort. You'll need to set up the website, curate products, develop content, and create marketing strategies. Regular monitoring and optimization are also crucial to ensure that the business remains profitable and relevant.